Good day, everyone, especially to the STEAM panelists, researchers, co-presenters, and reactors. Once again, have a nice day. I am Delaida M. Piamonte from Professional Schools of University of Mindanao, taking up Master of Arts in Education, major in Teaching Science. Together with me is my advisor and co-author, Michelle Wayakledan, Doctor of Education. I am honored to present to you our thesis study entitled Student Grit in Science and Student Engagement, the Mediating Effect of Student Interest. According to Mintz and Nestler 2023 and Lee et al. 2023, student engagement fosters greater persistence, promotes deeper understanding, and leads to higher achievement in science. Student engagement in science faces challenges due to insufficient positive teacher behaviors and lack of supportive classroom environments, which significantly hinder Filipino students' motivation and participation in secondary schools, according to Delgado and Reyes 2024. Filipino students have big challenges when it comes to science, as shown on the PISA result 2018. The primary objective of this study is to examine the relationship between student grit, student interest, and student engagement among junior high school students. Specifically, it aims to determine the levels of student grit, student interest, and student engagement among junior high students. Second, it aims to examine the direct relationship between student grit and student engagement in science. And third, it aims to investigate whether student interests significantly mediate student grit and student engagement in science. This study is anchored to the following theories. For the student grit, it is anchored to Duckworth's grit theory, and for the student engagement, it is anchored to social cognitive theory, and for the student interest, it is anchored to expectancy value theory. This is the conceptual framework of this study. For the independent variable, student grit, there are two indicators, and for the dependent variable, student engagement, it has three indicators, and for the mediating variable, student interest, it has five indicators. And for the methodology, non-experimental, descriptive, correlational quantitative research design. And for participants, 300 junior high school students from public schools of Don Carlos II District, Don Carlos Bukidnon participated in the study selected using random sampling. For the result and discussion, for the level of student grit, student interest, and student engagement, for the variable student grit with the value of standard deviation 0.5 with a weighted mean of 3.55 and a high descriptive level. This is in line with the study of Landonita and Tasdin 2022, perseverance of effort more than consistency of interest significantly relates to academic performance in high school students, emphasizing the role of sustained effort in overcoming challenges during learning, particularly in distance education settings. For the variable student engagement with a standard deviation of 0.62 with a weighted mean of 3.87 and a high descriptive level, this is supported by the Dato and Valdez 2024, who found that fostering a sense of relatedness and meaningful involvement significantly enhances science engagement among Filipino students. This aligns with Wang et al. 2023, who found that science engagement is maximized when lessons are relevant and connected to students' lives. And for the variable student interest with the standard deviation of 0.61 with the weighted mean value of 3.80 and a high descriptive level, according to Silic and Yildirim 2024, perceived teacher support significantly enhances students' motivation and engagement, which are essential for maintaining interest in challenging subjects like science. The data in Table 4 demonstrate significant positive correlation between students' grit and various dimensions of engagement in science, with all correlation coefficients ranging from moderate to strong and p-values indicating high statistical significance with a p-value less than 0.001. Notably, perseverance of effort shows the strongest relationship with engagement indicator such as science lessons and tasks, with R value of 0.505, learning involvement with R value of 0.558, effort and preparation with the R value of 0.511, and overall engagement with the R value of 0.602. This aligns with findings from Osan Superbia et al. 2024, who reported that perseverance of effort is strongly linked to intrinsic motivation and mastery goals, which are crucial for deep engagement. Table 5 presents statistically significant positive correlation between students' grit and various dimensions of their science interest, including family encouragement, peer attitude, and teacher influences, and science classroom experiences. Perseverance of effort consistently shows stronger correlations across all indicators, ranging from 0.242 to 0.402 with a p-value less than 0.001, compared to consistency of interest, which has weaker but still significant relationships ranging from 0.117 to 0.240. The overall grit score also positively correlates with all interest indicators, with the strongest association seen with science the classroom experiences with the R value of 0.362 and teacher influences with the R value of 0.278. These results indicate that students who exhibit higher grit, particularly perseverance, tend to report greater interest in science, supported by social and instructional contexts. Fostering students' perseverance of science can enhance their interest in science by strengthening their engagement with family, peers, teachers, and classroom experiences. The data presented in Table 6 reveals strong and statistically significant positive correlation between various dimensions of student interest and engagement in science. The overall correlation between interest and engagement is particularly high, with the R value of 0.714 with a P value of less than 0.001, indicating that students who exhibit greater interest in science are also more actively engaged in science lessons, learning involvement, and effort in preparation. Among the specific indicators, teachers' influences ranging from 0.500 to 0.620 and science classroom experiences ranging from 0.506 to 0.618 show especially strong relationship with engagement components, underscoring the critical role of instructional and environmental factors in linking interest to active participation. Family encouragement and peer attitudes also demonstrate moderate to strong correlation with engagement, highlighting the importance of social support in fostering student involvement in science. These findings suggest that science educator should prioritize creating learning environments that not only spark interest but also actively engage students. Table 7 presents the result of a regression analysis examining the influence of grit on student engagement in science, with interest acting as a mediating variable. The total effect of grit and engagement, path C, is strong and significant with a p-value of less than 0.001. These findings imply that grit influences science engagement both directly and indirectly through its effect on interest. This highlights the importance of fostering not only perseverance and passion but also cultivating students' intrinsic interest in science to maximize engagement. Table 8 presents the result of a Sobel Z test examining whether the student interest and mediates the relationship between grit and engagement in science learning. The Sobel Z value of 6.53 with a p-value less than 0.05 indicates a statistically significant mediation effect. Specifically, the analysis confirms that interest partially mediates the relationship between grit and engagement, meaning that grit influences engagement both directly and indirectly through its effect on interests. Moreover, the partial mediation implies that grit alone is not sufficient to maximize engagement. Interest acts as a catalyst that transforms perseverance into meaningful involvement. This aligns with the work of Chen and Wang 2023, who found that students' interest in science mediates the effect of self-regulation traits like grit on academic engagement and achievement. For the conclusion, the descriptive level of student grit, student engagement, and student interest are high. There is strong correlation between student grit and student engagement in science. Furthermore, there is a strong correlation between student grit and student interest, same as between student interest and student engagement in science. The effect of student interest on the relationship between student grit and student engagement is partially mediated. And for recommendation, it is highly recommended to develop instructional strategies that build grit and sustain student interest in science. Encourage family and peer support to motivate students. And the last slides are the references of the study. And that would be all. Thank you for listening. And again, Have a nice day.